Welcome to Limpiar, your go-to solution for professional cleaning services. Are you tired of dealing with the hassle of maintaining a clean and healthy environment? Well, fret no more, because our janitorial services are here to the rescue. At Limpiar, we understand that every space is unique. That's why our janitorial services are tailored to meet the specific needs of your environment. Whether it's an office, retail space, or home, we've got the expertise to deliver exceptional cleanliness. Our cleaning crew consists of trained professionals who are dedicated to delivering top-notch service. With years of experience under their belts, our team knows the ins and outs of effective cleaning techniques. You can trust us to get the job done right, every time. At Limpiar, we're not just committed to cleanliness, we're also dedicated to sustainability. That's why we incorporate environmentally friendly cleaning practices and products into our janitorial services. You can rest assured knowing that your space is being cleaned with the health of the planet in mind. So, how exactly do we work our magic? It all starts with a thorough assessment of your space. We take the time to understand your cleaning needs and develop a customized plan to meet them. But we don't stop there. Our commitment to excellence extends to regular quality assurance checks. Supervisors conduct inspections to ensure that our janitorial services consistently meet the highest standards. So, whether you're a business owner, office manager, or homeowner, Limpiar's janitorial services are here to the rescue. Contact us today to discover how we can transform your space into a pristine haven. Because at Limpiar, we don't just clean, we create environments that promote well-being and success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And remember, with Limpiar, cleanliness is just a call away. See you next time.